Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick double unboxing for you guys from Dooney Bourke, and then I also want to share some charms that I picked up from Shein. And then in the background here, this is my MCM Liz in the color Blossom. I just recorded a what's in my bag video on this one, so if you have not seen that one yet, make sure you go back and watch. But these charms all came, like I said, from Shein. The first one I want to share with y'all, this is a cherry charm. And y'all know I am crazy about these cherry charms. It's in a beautiful shade of pink with silver hardware. And you know what? Look at that. Does that not just match this bag to perfection? So that is the first charm I picked up. And then these next two charms I picked up to go with my outlet lip print pieces with the chalk background, and I think I don't have them down here with me, so I picked them up in both red and pink. Super cute. So I haven't decided which bag I will carry those lip print pieces with, probably like one of my chalk bags, but this is going to be such a cute accent piece for that. And then these next charms that I picked up, these are little bow charms. I saw these on Dazzle Me 77's channel. This is a really nice clasp on here. But I picked them up because I saw Dazzle, she always pairs them with her Victoria's Secret wristlets. So I picked it up in the pink, black, white, and red, because I do have a beautiful red wristlet. This is gonna go really nicely with that. So I just wanted to share those pieces with y'all real quick. Super excited because these bow, I don't know what it was, but these bow charms are honestly kind of hard to get my hands on. They were out of stock for a good while every time I looked to pick them up. And get into the pieces that I picked up from Dooney. This first one is the Art Deco satchel in the color white. I don't even know which Dooney diva to blame for this purchase, but girl, all of y'all got these. Every last one of y'all. Okay, so I took the wrapping off of this bag. You guys, this is so pretty. I am waiting for the matching wallet to come. It was on back order and it should be back in stock, so hopefully it's on the way. I did decide to just get the wallet for this piece, but I have so many colorful pieces. Like I have several items from Dress Up Your Purse that's going to go so well with this bag, from the turquoise color in there, that green, orange. Yes, I'm gonna have a field day carrying this bag with so many color accessories, so I can't even wait. It's more of a summery bag, but at this point I don't even care. Carry what you like, you guys, when you want. Whatever makes you happy, carry it. So I am loving all of these colors. I think that is just gorgeous. This bag does have feet and it is a very generous size. So honestly, if I had to guess, it seems a little bit longer than the large Coach Rowan. It has a red interior. And this bag is gorgeous. Now, the handles on this bag is an untreated vachetta leather, just like Louis Vuitton. So I will be spraying them down very well with my Apple Guard. But this bag is gorgeous. And I'm so glad that I let you Dooney Divas influence me. Here is the next bag, you guys. I'm going to just take a second and get her unwrapped. All right, y'all. So this is the Art Deco Zip satchel with the black background. It is gorgeous. It also has the natural vachetta handles. Here is the back of the bag, and here are the sides. Let me check the zipper. I know a lot of people struggle with the zippers on this bag, but it is nice and smooth. Oh no, don't embarrass me on camera now. Yeah, so the zipper is nice and smooth, and then here is the bottom of the bag, and it also has feet. I did not order a wallet to go with this one. I don't know, I'm not sure if I need one. I do have the DB75 print with all the pretty colors on it, but then I also feel like I have plenty of multicolor accessories that could go with this as well. But yes, shout out to all the Dooney Divas. Like I said, I cannot name a single one of y'all because it's all of y'all. All of you did this, all of you. So I had to go ahead and get into it. And I knew once I started stalking, I want to say this piece first. Yeah, I was stalking the regular satchel first. And then more likely than not, D or Mo Knows Beauty, Simply D or Mo Knows Beauty posted a good sales code, and that's what made me go ahead and get them, because I know I picked both of these up for a really good price, and the items were on, or this one was on back order, and at the time this one was not. So I'm absolutely loving these colors in person. I cannot wait to do a what's in my bag for you guys. Let me know, out of these two, which one do you guys want to see first in the what's in my bag? Do you want the zip satchel first, or do you want the white satchel first in the what's in my bag? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye, YouTube.